Today's word is quixotic. It is an adjective. It means having wild, dreamy ideas that are not practical. Describing someone who chases noble but impossible goals without thinking about the reality of the situation. Similar words include idealistic, dreamy, impractical. He had a quixotic plan to build a rocket ship out of cardboard boxes. It was a quixotic dream to think the team would win without any practice. She made a quixotic attempt to befriend every single stray cat in the city.
I'm going to spend all my allowance on a map to find buried treasure in the backyard.
That sounds a bit quixotic, John, since our backyard is just grass and dirt.
Emma uses quixotic because John's plan is fun and adventurous, but it is not based on realistic facts. Think of a knight chasing windmills. That is the classic quixotic image. If a plan sounds like a fairy tale that won't work in real life, it is quixotic. Can you think of a time when someone had a plan that sounded like a dream, but was very hard to actually do?